104.7 The Cave plays pure classic rock.
104.7 The Cave. Turn the page from Metallica. Good morning, Mike the Intern. Motley Crue announced last week that they are going to start off their final tour in Oregon July 22nd and finish it off with a huge New Year's Eve bash in LA at the Staples Center December 30th and 31st. Now, it's a long way away, but Alice Cooper has decided to join the band for their final trek, and he recalls his reaction about the crew asking him to tour with them one more time.
We didn't even know if we were going to do this segment of it, and then they called us up and they asked us, they said, will you finish it out with us? And we decided Australia and the States. Sure, let's not break up a great combination. We were always touring, but we hadn't really planned anything, kind of thinking they were going to ask us back. And when they did, we said, yeah. Of course, after that's over, we're still touring. We go out back then to Europe, and in the States, we're out until December. I mean, that's just normal for us to do 100 and some shows a year.
So why do you think you and the band makes for such a good concert bill?
They asked us if we'd come out and send them off in great style, their final tour. We'd never worked together before in 35 years, which is really unusual. So we said, yeah, we'll go out and send you off, sort of like a Viking funeral. But the great thing about it is that both bands are cut from the same bolt, high energy, rock and roll, theatrical, take no prisoners kind of show. So that's why we wanted to be on it.
We'll get to more with Alice Cooper on the way next on 104.7 The Cave. 104.7 The Cave. I'm Mike the Intern, spending my time this morning with Alice Cooper talking about the upcoming tour with Motley Crue and their final tour. Now, how did you and Motley Crue get along during the last tour?
The combination really did work, which is great. The synergy, there was never any hassle. You get two bands together and there's going to be an ego clash. Never happened. Both crews worked together. All the bands respected each other. So there was never one day where there was a problem.
We'll get to more with Alice, but first, it's a deep cut from the Eagles, Victim of Love on 104.7 The Cave. 104.7 The Cave. Kenny Wayne Shepherd, Blue on Black, Mike the Intern, with Alice Cooper this morning talking about the final tour with Motley Crue and how he's going to open up for those guys. Now, this last tour, Motley Crue did this huge drum roller coaster thing. Tommy Lee got to ride around the audience playing his drums. What did you think about that thing?
When I see that, being the fact that I've been doing that kind of theater, depending on the object to work, like the guillotine or the cannon or the rope or whatever it's going to be, you're setting yourself up for Spinal Tap moments. And I looked at the construction of this thing and I said, it's going to do what? And I knew that there would be a few times when there'd be glitches in this, but it doesn't matter. The fact of what it is, when Tommy's up there playing and that thing goes on and starts moving around, it's incredible.
Thank you so much, Mr. Cooper, for your time this morning. We've got a six-pack of pure classic rock on the way next on 104.7 The Cave.
.7 The Cave plays pure classic rock.